Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Tessie.
And I'm David. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very common in English conversations, talking about your daily routine.
That's right. When people meet, they often talk about what they do every day.
Yes, it's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English.
David, let me ask you a question. What do you usually do in the morning?
Good question. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and make coffee.
That sounds like a normal morning routine.
Yes, and after that, I check my emails and start working.
Great. Let's teach our listeners some useful phrases.
Phrase number 1. What do you usually do?
This question is used to ask someone about their habits or daily routine.
What do you usually do in the evening?
Phrase number 2, I usually.
This phrase is used when talking about your habits.
Example is, I usually go to the gym after work.
Let's practice a short conversation.
David, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually go home and relax.
What do you do to relax?
Sometimes I watch a movie, and sometimes I read a book.
Sometimes I watch a movie, and sometimes I read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Let's teach 3 useful words.
Word number 1, routine.
Routine means something you do regularly.
Example sentence. My morning routine starts at 7 a.m.
Word number 2, relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I like to relax after work.
Word number 3, habit.
A habit is something you do often.
Reading every day is a good habit.
Now, let's practice listening.
Listen carefully to this sentence.
I wake up early, drink coffee, and start my work.
Did you understand?
Let's repeat it slowly.
I wake up early, drink coffee, and start my work.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this question. What do you usually do in the morning?
Try answering it out loud.
For example, I usually wake up early and eat breakfast.
Here's an important tip for learning English. Try to speak English every day.
Even if you speak for just 5 minutes, it helps a lot. Practice makes you more confident.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Keep practicing your listening and speaking skills. And don't forget to come back for our next episode.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.